Hello and welcome to Travel Odyssey. Today we journey to one of the world's most iconic cities, a global hub steeped in history and brimming with modern marvels. Get ready to explore London, a city that seamlessly blends its royal heritage with a vibrant, cosmopolitan spirit. Our 3-day itinerary is your key to unlocking the best of London. From bustling markets to breathtaking views, we'll experience the essence of this dynamic city together. So tighten your shoelaces, grab your map, and let the adventure begin. Stay tuned as we uncover the must-visit spots in this incredible city. From the iconic red buses to the bustling streets, and the serene Thames River to its historic bridges, we'll dive into the cultural hotspots and vibrant nightlife. Join us as we capture panoramic views and the stunning skyline at sunset, discover hidden gems and local experiences that make London truly unique. Our exploration begins in the heart of London, at the world-renowned British Museum. Home to a staggering collection of artifacts spanning millennia and continents, this museum is a testament to human history and ingenuity. Prepare to be captivated, as every corner you turn reveals another treasure. Imagine standing before the Rosetta Stone, its inscribed surface holding the key to deciphering ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. The museum's Egyptian collection is amongst the most comprehensive outside of Egypt itself, with colossal statues and intricately painted sarcophagi transporting you back to the time of pharaohs. Venture further, and you'll encounter exquisite artifacts from civilizations across the globe, Assyrian reliefs, Roman sculptures, and Anglo-Saxon treasures, each whispering tales of bygone eras. Allow yourself ample time to wander the halls of the British Museum. It's not merely a museum, but a voyage through time, a testament to human creativity and the interconnectedness of our world. Whether you're a history buff or a casual visitor, the British Museum offers an unparalleled journey through the annals of human civilization. Don't miss the stunning Great Court, with its iconic glass roof designed by Foster and Partners, a modern architectural marvel that complements the museum's historic grandeur. The Parthenon marbles, also known as the Elgin marbles, are another highlight, showcasing the artistry of ancient Greece. The Enlightenment Gallery offers a glimpse into the Age of Enlightenment, filled with artifacts that reflect the era's thirst for knowledge and discovery. And don't forget to see the Sutton Hoo helmet, a symbol of Anglo-Saxon craftsmanship and mystery. The British Museum is not just a place to observe history, it's a place to experience it, with interactive exhibits that engage visitors of all ages. With special exhibitions and events throughout the year, there's always something new to discover at the British Museum. Our second day takes us to a site synonymous with London's history, the Tower of London. This imposing fortress, standing sentinel beside the River Thames, has borne witness to centuries of intrigue, imprisonment, and royal power. As you cross the threshold, imagine the footsteps of kings and queens, prisoners and soldiers, who have walked these very grounds. Be dazzled by the crown jewels, a breathtaking display of regal splendor and craftsmanship. The Tower of London is more than just a fortress. It's a living museum, a time capsule that encapsulates the ebb and flow of English history. Don't miss the iconic Beefeaters, the Tower's ceremonial guards, with their distinctive red and gold uniforms. As you stand on Tower Green, where Anne Boleyn met her tragic end, you can't help but feel the weight of history. The echoes of lives lived and lost within these ancient walls. And keep an eye out for the ravens. Legend has it that if they ever leave, the kingdom will fall. The White Tower, the oldest part of the complex, was built by William the Conqueror in 1078 and stands as a testament to medieval architecture. Traitor's Gate, once the entrance for prisoners accused of treason, adds a chilling layer to the tower's storied past. Join a guided tour led by the yeoman warders, who will regale you with tales of the tower's most infamous residents and events. As night falls, the Tower of London takes on an almost mystical aura, illuminated against the dark sky. The Tower of London is a place where history comes alive, a must-visit on your London itinerary. Our final day begins with a taste of royal grandeur at Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the reigning monarch. This iconic palace has been the focal point of the British monarchy since Queen Victoria's reign in 1837. Witness the iconic changing of the guard ceremony, a display of British pageantry at its finest. This tradition dates back to 1660 and is a symbol of the continuity and stability of the British monarchy. The synchronized movements, the gleaming uniforms, and the rousing music create an unforgettable spectacle. The precision and discipline of the guards are a testament to centuries-old military traditions. Take a closer look at the intricate details of the guards' uniforms, each element steeped in tradition. From the bearskin hats to the red tunics, every piece tells a story of British heritage. Afterwards, prepare for a breathtaking experience as we ascend the London Eye, one of the world's tallest observation wheels. Opened in 2000, it has since become a symbol of modern London. As you glide gracefully into the sky, London unfolds before your eyes in a stunning panorama. The 360-degree views offer a unique perspective of the city's sprawling urban landscape. See the city's iconic landmarks from a completely new perspective: the Houses of Parliament, Big Ben, St. Paul's Cathedral, all miniature marvels against the sprawling urban tapestry. The London Eye provides a vantage point like no other. Each capsule offers a unique vantage point, making every moment a new discovery. The design of the capsules ensures that every visitor has an unobstructed view of the city. As you descend back to Earth, you'll carry with you an unforgettable memory of London's skyline, a picture etched in your mind's eye. The experience is a perfect blend of history and modernity, capturing the essence of London. No trip to London is complete without experiencing its vibrant market culture, and Camden Market is the epitome of eclectic charm. This labyrinthine network of stalls and shops offers a feast for the senses. Lose yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of this unique marketplace. From vintage clothing and handmade jewelry to quirky art and international cuisine, Camden Market has something for everyone. Treat yourself to a delicious bite from one of the many food stalls, offering a diverse range of global flavors. Don't miss the street performers and live music that add to the vibrant atmosphere. Take a stroll along the canal for some scenic views and a moment of tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle. Explore the art stalls showcasing unique crafts and one-of-a-kind pieces. Engage with the friendly vendors and soak in the lively interactions that make Camden Market a must-visit destination. Big Ben, the iconic clock tower of London, known for its massive bell and historic significance. This architectural marvel stands proudly as a symbol of the city's rich heritage. Appreciate the intricate details and craftsmanship that have made Big Ben a beloved landmark. Its deep chimes have echoed through the city for over a century, marking time for Londoners and visitors alike. Capture this iconic symbol in your photos, as it stands as a testament to London's enduring legacy. Completed in 1859, Big Ben has witnessed countless historical events, becoming an enduring part of London's story. Whether by day or night, the illuminated clock face of Big Ben continues to captivate all who see it. And so, our 3-day London adventure comes to an end. We've walked in the footsteps of royalty and felt the city's vibrant energy. From the treasures of the British Museum to Buckingham Palace, London is a city of endless fascination. This is just a glimpse into its soul. London's magic lies in its surprises. Every neighborhood has its own story. As the lights of Tower Bridge shine bright, we bid farewell, but not goodbye. Until next time, London. Reflecting on our journey, we cherish the memories and look forward to more adventures. Our journey through London may be ending, but your own travel odyssey is just beginning. London is a city that never ceases to amaze, with its rich history, vibrant culture, and endless adventures. From the historic Tower of London to the modern marvels of the Shard, there's always something new to discover. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, London offers a unique experience every time. The city's charm lies in its ability to blend the old with the new, creating a unique tapestry of experiences. Take a stroll through its historic streets, enjoy the vibrant nightlife, or simply relax in one of its many parks. Each visit to London brings something new, something unexpected, and something unforgettable. So, pack your bags, set your sights on new horizons, and let the spirit of adventure guide you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.